I.
I.
Yep.
Mommy, I'm going to do the little I.
Okay.
After I'm going to do the big I.
Okay. You're so good, Cal.
Mommy, this time I'm going to face...
That's perfect, Cal.
Mommy, this time I'm going to face the egg this way. Watch.
I-J. Mm-hmm. There you go. Perfect. Mm-hmm. And then your favorite letter?
K.
Isn't that your favorite letter? Yep.
Daddy! I made a K!
Awesome, Cal. You're doing really good.
I know. L.
That was my favorite, too.
Oh, yeah? M, like Madden? N. Good. Nice,
Daddy,
Kelly.
look, I did the M.
Very good. You're doing so good.
Because it doesn't go down.
Right.
Oh!
That's okay. Make that the O. Wow. What letter comes next?
B.
What?
B.
No. L-M-N-O.
P.
That's right. Okay.
Mommy, K. Okay means... Mommy,
Uh-huh.
okay means stop. No, okay means... No, okay.
Yeah, okay.
No, okay starts with K.
It starts with O. Hey, it starts with okay. That's how you spell it. Okay. O-K.
See, okay.
Okay. Can you do the sign language for okay?
Like, okay. I'm... No.
Oh. Okay.
Okay.
Perfect.
Da-di-da-di-da-di-da-di-da-di-da.
Oh, P. Okay, so now you're up to Q.
Party like a rock star. Party.
Okay, you're up to Q, right?
Yeah. Party like a rock star. Party like...
Okay, focus, Cal.
Mommy, I hear that song at school.
Oh,
Party
yeah?
like a rock star.
Oh, yeah?
Huh? Party like a rock star. Party like a rock star. Mom, can you try the other letters?
Q? You got a couple left. Just Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z.
So funny, doesn't it?